6 months ago, Zara had 10 friends. This is the day she had none. She did not understand, she did understand, she just could not say the word. 6 months ago, Zara was the funniest girl in school. Everyone wanted to be her friend. Especially Mia.
Zara had one problem. She was always right. At least, that is what she thought. And she never, not once, said the word sorry.
It looks better this way. My colors are brighter, trust me. Zara, that was my part. I worked on that for an hour. It looks better though. You can see that, right? Objectively, it looks better. That is not the point, Zara.
Zara said nothing. She thought it would be fine.
It was not fine.
Comment below. Have you ever found it hard to say sorry? Tell me.
She is just sitting with other people today. Fine. It is fine. Mia, you are sitting in the wrong place. We always sit at the back table. I know where we usually sit, Zara. I wanted to sit here today, but we always... Fine. Whatever. Zara, Mia is upset about the art project. You painted over her work. It looks better now. She will see that eventually. Have you thought about maybe saying sorry? I did not do anything wrong, Omar. My colors were better. That is just true. Zara, it was her part of the painting. That is the point. Not which colors are better. I will think about it. Actually, I think I was right. Let me explain why my answer is also correct.
Zara, sometimes the answer is simply wrong. That is okay.
1 week passed. Then 2. Zara did not notice it happening. The distance grew very slowly.
Mia had a birthday party. She invited everyone in the class. Almost everyone. That night, Zara sat in her room and felt something new. She did not have a word for it yet. But we have a word for it. Lonely.
You are quiet tonight.
I am fine.
Okay. I will sit with you while you are fine.
Mia had a party. She did not invite me. I do not know why.
Do you really not know why? Or do you know and it is hard to say?
Both.
Can I tell you about the worst thing I ever did?
You? You did something bad?
I was 11 years old, exactly your age, and I lost my best friend. For 3 years. I broke my best friend's bicycle by accident. I was too proud to say sorry, so I said nothing, all because of 2 words.
3 years over 2 words?
I thought sorry meant I was weak. I was wrong. Sorry means I care about you more than I care about being right.
I care about you more than I care about being right. Dad, what if I say sorry and Mia does not forgive me?
Then you still did the right thing. Get something. It is a gift you give, no conditions.
A gift with no guarantee. That is
The bravest thing is not saying sorry when you know it will work. It is saying
sorry when you are not sure.
Did your friend forgive you eventually? Yes, 3 years later. He said he was waiting.
I am sorry. I am sorry, Mia. She said the words 17 times into the dark. Each time they felt a little less impossible. I am going to do it today.
Good. Eat something first. Brave people need breakfast.
Zara, good morning. Omar, you were right about the art project. And the other times, you were right. Oh, are you okay? I need to talk to Mia. Do you know where she is?
Art room. She goes there before class sometimes.
Zara, are you actually gonna say sorry?
I am gonna try. Honestly, it might...
Zara stood at the door for 45 seconds. The word sorry felt very large inside her mouth.
Mia, I need to say something. And I am going to say it correctly this time. I am sorry, Mia, for painting over your work. That was wrong. It was your section, your work. I had no right to change it. I knew that, and I did it anyway. And I am sorry for all the other times, too. When I said I was right and you were wrong, when I did not listen, I am sorry it took me this long to say it. Is that the first time you have ever said sorry? To anyone? Yes, to anyone about anything important, yes. I waited for you to say it, Zara. I waited for 3 days. I know. I am sorry about those 3 days too. Why didn't you? Why is it so hard for you? I thought sorry meant I was weak, that if I said it, you would think less of me. Zara, I thought less of you because you didn't say it, not less because you did. Oh.
Miss Rivera had been watching Zara for weeks. She had been waiting for exactly this moment. She did not need to say anything. Some lessons teach themselves.
It worked!
Omar, I am sorry to you too.
I am sorry to you too, for not listening. 2 sorries in one morning? Zara, are you feeling okay? Do you have a fever? Shut up, Omar. She is okay. She is better than okay. Zara is just being herself.
Zara, well done this morning.
You saw?
I see most things, just not always immediately.
Mia, what if we tried blue here instead of green? For your section. Just an idea. What do you think? Yes, actually. I like that. Good idea, Zara. The painting is better with both of us. Most things are. Better with 2 than 1. My dad lost his best friend for 3 years because he could not say sorry. 3 years, Mia. 3 years. 3 weeks. You came just in time. Mia, what was it like? When I were waiting, it felt like you did not care enough about me to be wrong for 1 minute. That lands hard. I cared. I just did not know how to show it. My birthday was last week, but Mum said I could have a small do-over party this weekend. Will you come? A do-over party? Some things deserve a second chance. Come at 4. Bring nothing. Just come.
The do-over party was smaller than the original one. And much better. Some things are better the second time.
Zara, this is the best present. That was a joke. That was a joke. Partly. Finally.
1 month later. Same cafeteria, same Zara, but different. The table was full again, because she learned one word.
Vocabulary from my story. These words, I know them now from experience. Let me teach you. Some of them I taught her. This one especially.
Sorry. Sorry means you understand you did something wrong and you care about fixing it. Sorry.
Say it. Forgive. Forgive means you choose to let go of hurt so the friendship can continue. Forgive. Stubborn. Stubborn means refusing to change even when you are wrong. I was very stubborn. Stubborn. Brave means doing something hard even when you are scared. Saying sorry was the bravest thing I ever did. Lonely. Lonely means being alone in a way that hurts. I was lonely for 3 weeks. One word ended it. Lonely. Past tense. Say becomes said. Feel becomes felt. Lose becomes lost. Forgive becomes forgave. Try them.
Sorry is not weak. Sorry means I care about you more than I care about being right. Remember that one.
Some lessons cannot be taught in a classroom. They can only be learned. Zara learned this one herself. Well done, Zara.
Comment below, is it hard for you to say sorry? Tell me honestly. I will not judge. I understand now. Subscribe for more stories. The next one is coming. Zara has rules now.
The painting had both their names on it. This time, Zara put them there herself. Sorry is not the end of a story. It is where the real one begins.